Hey, ladies and gentlemen out there, what's good? This is George from NoMorePoorCreditScore.com, and today I'm going to introduce to you the card that began my credit repair journey. All right, this is the card that I started with at first when I began fixing my credit. All right, it's the Bank of America secured credit card. If you have a Bank of America account, try it. If you don't have a Bank of America account, well, go get one. There's Banks of America all over the country in every state. So, hey, this is the card I used at the start, and I'm just recommending it to you because it worked for me. And now my credit is in a good place, and you can do the same thing. So, without further ado, let's get into why this credit card is recommended by me, and I think it's pretty good. Hey, ladies and gentlemen out there, what's good? This is George from NoMorePoorCreditScore.com, and today I'm going to introduce to you the card that began my credit repair journey. All right, this is the card that I started with at first when I began fixing my credit. All right, it's the
Now stay
Bank of
to the end
America
of this video
secured credit
and
card.
I'll show you even
If
more
you have a Bank
ways
of America
you can
account,
boost your credit score.
try it.
Now trust me,
If you don't have a
you don't
Bank of
want to miss
America
this
account, well, go
because
get one.
it
There's Banks
works.
of America all
Trust
over
me.
the country in every state. So, hey, this is the card I used at the start, and I'm just recommending it to you because it worked for me. And now my credit is in a good place, and you can do the same thing. So, without further ado, let's get into why this credit card is recommended by me, and I think it's pretty good.
Okay, here we are on the Bank of America website showcasing the Bank AmeriCard secured credit card. And like I said before, this card is great for rebuilding your credit. And as you can see here, it's giving you the card details and it says to help build your credit. A secured credit card designed to help establish, strengthen, or rebuild credit. My recommendation when you first get this card and you start to use it, please, by all means, remember to pay this card off in full. This is your first credit card. You want to show the bank that you are more than capable and very responsible in handling your credit. I mean, why not leave this balance at zero every month? Just pay it off every month. Don't carry a balance over. Okay? Pay it off on time and in full. That's the best way to show the bank that you can handle using a credit card. And right under where it says help build your credit, you have right here where it says a minimum refundable security deposit of 300. The security deposit is the money you give the bank that you want to use as your credit limit. Okay? The credit limit will be determined by the amount of the security deposit you provide, your income, and your ability to pay the credit line established. Wow. Okay. And if you provide a deposit that exceeds the calculated maximum amount based on your ability to pay, a check will be returned to you for the difference. So they'll even give you your money back if they calculate what your deposit should be and you may have gave them too much. Okay, that's no problem. The whole point is whatever your credit limit is, what you want to do, my suggestion to you, whatever your limit is, let's say your limit is 300. That's the security deposit you gave. That's your limit, $300. You don't want to use no more than 30% of that. As a matter of fact, here's a better definition. You don't want to carry over a balance of more than 30% of that $300. All right? So, what's 30% of 300? $90. All right. So, what you want to do is you want to make sure you pay off whatever it is you spend during your billing cycle. You pay it off completely. All right. But just in case you want to know why I said 30%, because 30% is what FICO uses as its percentage of credit utilization. You don't want to ever use more than 30% of your limit. And credit utilization, FICO accounts for also 30% of your credit score. So, credit utilization is a big chunk of your credit score. So, you want to keep your usage of your credit limit lower than 30%. But don't even worry about that right now. You're going to pay off your card every month to zero. You're not going to carry a balance because you're going to show this bank that you can handle credit. Why? Because where it says deposit return, read, it says, we will periodically review your account, and based on your overall credit history, you may qualify to have your secured deposit returned. What does that mean? That means they're going to periodically review your account every 3 months, every 6 months, and what they'll do is they may decide to graduate your secured card to an unsecured card. And when they make your card a regular unsecured card, they will give you back the deposit that you gave. That minimum, it says refundable security deposit. They're going to refund your 300 or up to the maximum of 4,900. Whatever your security deposit was, they're going to give it back to you. And you now have your very own regular unsecured card. Cool. Now you have your deposit back in your pocket or in your checking account. And the bank has just given you a regular unsecured card of, I don't know, whatever limit they're allowing you to use. You are now allowed to use the bank's money. That's what a credit card is. You're using other people's money. And in this case, the other people is the bank. That's what a credit card is. Okay? Congratulations. You now have an unsecured card. Now, above the deposit return, we skipped over where it says FICO score. When you have a secured card from Bank of America, they allow you to check your FICO score online, on their website or on the Bank of America app. It says here you can access your FICO score as updated monthly for free within your mobile banking app or in online banking, like I just said, duh. Okay? But the thing is, you're not going to get all three FICO scores. You're going to get one score. And I believe it's going to be TransUnion. There's TransUnion, there's Equifax, and there's Experian. And I believe that Bank of America pulls from TransUnion. So they're going to show you your TransUnion score updated every month for free, which is cool. You need to know your credit scores. Okay, don't be afraid to check your credit score. If you're on your journey right now to fix your credit, number one, get your credit report. Go to www.annualcreditreport.com and they will give you a report every year for free. Once a year, you can get your free complete credit report from annualcreditreport.com. If I'm not mistaken, right now, because of everything that's going on with, COVID and, everything is all crazy right now, I think they're offering, you can get a couple credit reports for free this year. Don't quote me on it, but just go to the site, annualcreditreport.com. Okay? And Yeah, it says you can learn more about your credit on the site, on the app. Yeah, they have, they give you a little access to credit education on topics and stuff like that. But I mean, it's cool. It's cool, but you don't need them. You got me. Go ahead to nomorepoorcreditscore.com. I have different articles and videos and stuff, and you could trust me. Don't worry about the credit education. I got you. And let's see. Scrolling down the website, they'll show you interest rates and fees and summaries. No annual fee. I hate annual fees on any card, secured card or not, unsecured, secured, whatever. I don't like paying annual fees. There's some cards out there that have annual fees and it's actually worth it because of the perks you get with the card, and they'll offset the annual fee. But for the most part, I don't like paying annual fees. All right, the standard APR, just the interest rates for using the card every month, 22.99. It's kind of high, but it's a secure card. Don't worry about it. And like I said, because you will pay your card off every month, you will not have to pay interest on the purchases because you're going to take care of it right away. That's how you're going to use this card. You're going to show this bank that you are responsible because you want to hurry up and get your card upgraded from secured to unsecured, correct? Yeah, that's what you want to do. Let's see, security and features, blah blah blah, stay protected. We block potential fraud if abnormal patterns are detected and let you know if they suspect fraudulent activity. Yeah, Bank of America is good for that. They will let you know and by text on your phone if they think something's going wrong with your card. If you make a suspicious purchase on your card or whatever, they'll let you know. Chip card technology. I mean, all the things that normal cards have for their security and features. Your secured card, Bank of America, it has the same thing. You get the same thing. You get paperless statement options, so you don't have mail every month. You could just look online at your statements. Digital wallet technology. Yeah, you could use Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. You could just use your phone without whipping out your card, all the time, which is cool. I mean, all the things that the normal cards get, you'll get with this secured card. You could use a secured card the same way. And look, this card works. I definitely recommend this card. And I'm not gaining anything from Bank of America by telling you to use their card. I'm just telling you the card that I used. So, this is an honest recommendation here. So, yeah, there it is. Bank of America secure card. Go try it if you're, looking to check out a secure card to use to rebuild your credit and, get your credit going on the right path. Here it is. Why not? Go and go get it.
Now, remember a while ago when I told you to stay tuned to the end of the video because I have more ways to boost your credit to share with you? Well, here it is. Click the link in the description below and you can get 5 actionable tips you can use right now to boost your credit score in my free report. And also, also, there's another link in the description for you to click that offers you a complete 30-page ebook that's packed full of information and education on how to get negative items deleted off your credit report so you can fix your credit yourself. And there's even more ways to boost your credit score in that ebook. And you can also learn about all the laws that you have on your side to fight against the big bad credit bureaus, TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. Okay? Please take advantage. All right? Click the links in the description and definitely don't forget about going out and getting your secured credit card as a way to start fixing your credit right now. I mean, take 200, well, not 200 because as you can see on the site, it said 300 is the limit. Well, not the limit, but the It's the start that you can use from 300 to 4,900. Take some of that money and get a secure card. Use 300, use 4, 500, or even 1,000, or whatever. Get that secured card and start taking control of your credit. Show the banks that you can be responsible and use credit wisely and not just frivolously and just go out and buy, shiny things and, things that depreciate in value. Go out and use your secured card and buy stuff like, pay for your gas, buy groceries, buy things, pay some bills. Okay, I have a video on how to use your credit card to pay bills. All right, and remember, definitely remember to pay off that secured card in full. It's best to pay it off in full. I mean, you look so much better to the bank by showing them you can use it wisely and pay it off completely. All right? I mean, it'll all work itself out in the long run. Trust me. When you get that secured card upgraded and graduated to an unsecured card, and they start raising your credit limits, and you watch your credit score go up, you're going to feel so good about yourself. But anyway, go ahead and click the link in the description. Get that free report with the 5 actionable tips. Go on and get that 30-page ebook. If you're really serious about your credit, just go ahead and get the 30-page ebook. You'll be glad you did. So, with that being said, until next video, do what you got to do to get that credit to the next level, and I'll see you in the next video.